Starting Excel. The steps to start Excel 2016 are: Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Scroll to find Excel or search Excel and click on it. The Excel 2016 window appears. Click on Blank Workbook. A blank Excel worksheet opens. A worksheet is a spreadsheet with rows and columns where you can type and store data and perform various operations on the data. An Excel file is called a workbook. It consists of many worksheets. By default, the file name of a new workbook is Book 1. A new workbook has only one worksheet called Sheet 1.